And deliciousness, red peppers, zucchini, potatoes, yum, greens, and you can add whatever protein you'd like. And this is for our weekly date night. This is how we are staying sane, especially being home so much. Home dates. I take turns. My husband cooks, I cook. I've taught him how to cook. And then we cuddle up to a wonderful movie. We've been watching a lot of Hallmark movies, filmed in great locations, and you know it's always going to have a happy ending. So I'm wishing you date night dinners. Even when I was single, I would have a date night with myself, have some delicious food, share times with yourself, those you love. I'm sending you blessings. Cynthia Dodona from moderndaygoddesswisdom.com. Shine your light.